So I'm going with the satin bronze for the motor. Got it welded up here, ready to paint. Welded in there because there's a chrome piece that goes right in front of the engine right there. I got the scoop. How do you say? It's hard to show here now, but welded it on another piece there. So when I paint the engine, some of the oversprays will help paint the scoop same time. See, when I do the scoop, that overspray will help. See, it's not wasting overspray, but that'll look nice there, huh? Bronze for a motor. And here we got the pipes welded together here, ready to go. I did some trial and error, tapping, make sure they don't fall off. They kept falling off. I had heated it pretty good and was burning on. I'm putting a little silver on first to get a nice even coat on it, because I took off the raised edge all around parting lines. They look like little flat edges sticking out all over. Gilded brass. Check in.